CleanMyMac's Applications module lets you uninstall apps completely, including leftover files and update supported apps from one place. Uninstall apps completely, instead of dragging an app to the trash. CleanMyMac removes the app along with its related files, such as caches, preferences, and support files. To uninstall an app, 1. Open CleanMyMac. 2. Select applications from the sidebar. 3. Click Scan. 4. After the scan finishes, click Manage My Applications. 5. Open the Uninstaller section. 6. Select one or more apps you want to remove. 7. Click Uninstall and confirm. You can also drag an app directly onto the CleanMyMac window or dock icon to begin the uninstall process. Update installed apps. The Applications module also checks for available updates for supported apps. To update apps, 1. Open CleanMyMac. 2. Go to Applications and click Scan. 3. Select Manage My Applications. 4. Open the Updater category. 5. Review the available updates. 6. Select the apps you want to update, or choose all. 7. Click Update to install them. Helpful notes. Apps installed from the Mac App Store may have limitations due to Apple's security restrictions. Depending on your macOS version and the app, you might need to update or remove some App Store apps through the App Store itself. CleanMyMac can also categorize apps by usage, vendor, or source, making it easier to identify software you no longer need. Using the Applications module regularly helps keep your Mac organized by removing unused software, reclaiming storage space, and keeping supported apps up to date.